This is my exploration project on the Cherokee Native Americans. So, for context, around 200 years ago, the Cherokee tribe of American Indians was originally one tribe located in the southern Allegheny Mountains. Today, this area is recognized as Southwest Virginia, West North Carolina, and South Carolina, most of Kentucky and Tennessee, northern Georgia, and the northeastern area of Alabama. At the beginning of the 1830s, nearly 125,000 Native Americans lived in the mountain region, but by the end of the decade, the Indian Removal Act forced them to walk west to a territory that is now recognized as the Oklahoma State. This was executed on behalf of white settlers who wanted to grow cotton on the Indians' land and is a movement known as the Trail of Tears. Moving on to factors that influenced dress, the materials that were available to the Cherokee were both from plant and animal origins, however, mostly animal materials were used. Some examples of these materials would be tree bark, shells, animal pelts, bird feathers, and porcupine quills, which were eventually replaced by manufactured trade goods, such as fabric, beads, and ribbons later on. Most of the Cherokees still live in Oklahoma today, which is a southern state, so super heavy garments are not necessary. The Cherokee originally used dress to represent their identity and present a different identity that emphasized civilization, that looked different from Euro-American culture. The Cherokee used sartorial innovation as acts of identity and resistance against Euro-American encroachment and their removal. Body supplements for men. Up first we have the breech clout. This is a wrap supplement. It's originally made of deer skin, but was eventually replaced by other fabrics down the road. It's held in place with a belt fastened around the waist, and the ends of the breech clout are decorated. And then usually with that, the men will wear full-length buckskin leggings. This attaches to their belt, and it's a combination of pre-shaped and attachment supplement. And then as far as what I've seen for upper garments, they usually just wear like a collared shirt, which is pre-shaped. And then the main body supplement that is worn by women is the tear dress. This is a pre-shaped supplement. It's the official dress of the Cherokee ambassadors. It came to light in the 1960s when Miss Indian USA represented the tribe. It originated from the Trail of Tears and is made in the fashion of a working woman's dress, meaning that it is made for movement. The bodice attaches to a waistband that attaches to the skirt, and usually there is added geometric Cherokee decoration. As far as footwear goes, they usually wear soft-soled moccasins. This is made from a single and continuous piece of buckskin for both the sole and upper part. There are different styles. The more traditional ones end at the ankle, but they can also be more of a longer boot style as well. They have quite a few body modifications. Hair. Traditionally, men shave their head, leaving just the crown portion, and then they decorate that with pendant silver quills or feathers. This is modification of volume, shape, texture, surface design of hair, but in more recent times, they have also been keeping their hair longer as well. Body paint. Originally, body paint was used in preparing men for war, but today they just wear it on special occasions. This is temporary modification of color. Red is the most popular color, followed by black. They also have tattoos, which is permanent body modification. From what I've seen, they're usually just very symbolic and geometric. And then they also have piercings as well, which is permanent decorative modification. And these are my resources.